everyone, I'm Lindsay, creator of Similar Styles and stylist at Miracle Hill. Today we're going to be talking about gingham. Gingham is a super popular pattern for the spring. And as you can see, both my model Erin and I have gingham on. She has on a gingham skirt, which was super cute. I loved the bold color of green on this skirt. I have a similar picture of a girl wearing a blue gingham skirt. So we just kind of went with the green, and then we, instead of the blue for her bottom, we did a chambray shirt on top. And then we have these awesome cognac sandals / heels that are incredible. So love this complete look on her, and I'll tell you her total for this outfit was $18, including the handbag. I'm gonna ask Erin a couple questions today. She's actually also a college student and an employee at Miracle Hill, so I would love for you to get to know her a little bit. So Erin, when did you start working at Miracle Hill?
Well, I started working there a little over a year and a half ago. It was actually kind of a God thing. I had just recently lost another job and applied there, and it worked out really well, and I love it.
That's awesome, very awesome. And then, now what's your favorite thing about working there?
My favorite thing is definitely not just having a job and the great deals you find and everything, but the meaning behind Miracle Hill. We're there to help people, to house them, give them food, and every time I'm there, that's what I'm always reminded of.
Awesome, that's awesome. And now what school do you currently go to?
I am a student at Bob Jones University.
Okay, and what are you studying there?
I am a humanities major with a photography minor.
That's very awesome. Now we're gonna actually stop at photography. We're gonna switch outfits. I'm gonna show you 2 other gingham looks and then continue to ask her a couple more questions so you can get to know who Erin is. We are back and we have 2 different gingham looks. I paired my gingham top with a pair of ripped distressed jeans, and I actually took Erin's cognac shoes because the model that I found the picture of with this outfit on had these similar shoes, and I needed to steal hers. She wants them back though, right?
Right.
Oh, I tried. So we also have Erin in this awesome pop of green color, which is perfect for spring. Paired it with the gingham top, did some brown accents, leopard shoes, kind of doing a little bit of the pattern mixing. Can't get away with not doing pattern mixing. And she looks fun, casual, and you can wear this to school, I'm assuming.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
So that's perfect. So now she left off saying that she's a photography major, is that correct?
Photography minor.
Minor, okay, I was so close. And now tell us how you got into photography. What about photography do you love?
Well, ever since I was a little kid, I was always involved in the arts in some way, whether it was music or drawing or whatever, and anytime I was at an event, you could always find me with a camera in hand. Not that they were always good, but I was always taking pictures, and whenever I decided to go to college, photography was one of the things that I wanted to pursue. It's always been a passion of mine, and I just wanted to take it to the next level.
That's awesome. And I have to say, she actually did some of my pictures recently. Well, not recently, in the winter. It just seems like it was yesterday. And they were phenomenal. And I can't wait. I haven't blogged about them because spring popped up out of nowhere. But we were in the snow, it was cold, and she was so brave. Did you not even have like tights on or something?
Yeah, no gloves.
No gloves, tights. No tights. It's snowing. I had on like rain boots, tights, leggings. I'm like, I'm so cold. And her hands were like frozen. So she's a trooper and definitely somebody that you need to use who goes through it all just to take awesome pictures. And now going through her photography, that's great. With fashion, I want to know a little bit about what would be your favorite go-to spring look.
Well, I love color. I love bringing in, like, especially spring, the bright, vibrant colors and floral patterns. It's always my go-to. I'm just a very colorful type person.
That's awesome, and which is perfect because spring is very colorful. So there you have it. You have 4 total gingham looks that you can put in your closet and get yourself ready for spring. I'm Lindsay, and thanks for watching.